Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make spin handle to drawing in Solidworks. First step, make a new sheet. Click Model View. Click Browser. Insert subfolder. Make scale view 1:1. Click From View. Click Right View and Isometric View. Drag right view into left from view because we use Europe projection. Click Isometric View, make display style parameter is shape with edge. Go to Annotation, Active Smart Dimension. Give the size of the parts that are needed to be sized. Tidy up the size so it's nice to see. Remove the zero after a comma. After that, go to View Layout. Active Broken Out section to see the thread hole. Make depth parameter is 9 mm. OK. Active Smart Dimension. Give size the thread. Because this part is 3D, we will change the size value to M10 times 1.25. Click this size. Because it is the size of the shaft, tolerance must be given. Choose fit with tolerance. Choose G6 for shaft tolerance. See, the shaft tolerance is showing. Click Surface Finish to show surface roundness. Make N7 roundness. Click the shaft surface. We will change size line color into black. Go to Option. Click Color. Click Dimension, not important, driven. Click Edit. Choose black color. See, color line size is changed. Continue to measure again. Give the size to see Hexagon field. Right click this view. Click Project View. Drag to right view to see the hexagon. Delete this view. Active Smart Dimension to see measure hexagon. After drawing shaft holder, now we will draw a holder. Go to a new sheet. Go to View Layout, click Model View, click Browser, insert a holder, make sure a scale is 1:1, click From View and Isometric View. Click Section View to see inside a holder. Active Smart Dimension to measure a holder. Because it is whole size, them given a symbol of tolerance. Choose Fit with Tolerance. Choose H7 for whole holder tolerance. Click Surface Finish to show surface roundness. Make and seek roundness. Click Whole Surface. Make note for the show the part in the corner link. If you draw a circular part, make sure you don't forget to enter the axis line. Click this view. OK. End this drawing. Click center line. Click this view. OK. I think it's the end tutorial. Thanks for watching. See ya.